Okay, question 14 talks about a function. In this case, we're talking about looking at a line graph or a dot graph in this case and understanding what a function is, or rather what a function is not. In this case, all you're looking for is two dots that are directly on top of one another. That's the problem here. We need to get rid of one of those dots. As long as we do that, we will turn this into a function. So these are the two dots that we're looking at. This first dot, or this first point, if we start at the origin here, we go over 1 and up 1, that would be labeled as 1, 1. Let's look at that top point. We go over 1 and up 3, so his label or his address, so to speak, would be 1, 3. As we look at the multiple choice answers, only one of these guys is going to appear on there, and that's what we're going to have to pick. So let's take a moment to do that. So in this situation, choice A is correct, 1, 1. As long as we take out that point, we will turn this into a function, and I'm going to do a quick follow-up on this. So when you're looking at a dot graph or a line graph, let's talk about what is a function and what is not a function. So with the graph, as long as that line does not go straight uphill or overlap itself, it's a function. And I'm going to repeat that. As long as that line does not go straight uphill at any time, it's a function. As long as it does not overlap itself, it's a function. So this is a function, this is a function, this is a function, this is a function. Most lines are functions. So let's look at what is not a function. If we started drawing a line and then he overlapped himself, that's not a function. Any kind of a circle is not a function. A line going straight up and down is absolutely not a function. So even if we have something that looks good, if it goes uphill even for a moment, even for an inch, that's not a function. We've got to fix that or get rid of that in order to turn it into a function. Again, if you're looking at a line, most of them are functions, but if it overlaps itself in any way, if that line overlaps itself, or if it goes straight up and down at any point in time, that's not a function. So that's number 14.